Hey YouTube, Ryan here with Cycle QMX. I'm going to show you one of our urban assault models with the upgraded high-rise bars and higher seating position. Alright, as you can see, full power gauge, throttle and battery. Here's your throttle and your battery. LED lighting. Oversized 20-inch fat tires. This bike features an 8-speed transmission. Shifting down. There's your 8 gears, and then shifting back up. And you can shift through all the gears. This particular model features an 8-speed transmission and our oversized sprocket with our 30mm axle. This model also features Fox racing shocks for air ride adjustable. Along with the lighting, you have rear brake lights that are activated from the brake lever. This particular model features our lead acid battery, which has 36 amp hours, 36 volts. You can see our vinyl seat. Here we have a charging port for the lead acid battery. Nice soft vinyl seat. Well, that's it for today, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any more questions, please leave us comments below and subscribe. Thank you.